Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline and this is Low Carb Lish. If you're new here, this is a channel where we take our favorite high carb foods and turn them into low carb foods to try to control our type 2 diabetes and reverse it if possible. Today we are doing a giveaway winner video, and also I'm giving you guys a update on Miss Macie. So I guess I'll do the update on Miss Macie first and get that out of the way. She was recovering very nicely from her leg injury, and she went in my room one night and jumped off my bed, which it's a little high. It's not like hugely high, but it's a little high. And she came in the living room and she was tripoding and not walking on her back left leg. So I took her back to her vet, and hi, you hear me talking about you? I took her back to her vet, and she sent me to an orthopedic vet because Macie grimaced when she was palpating her leg. So we went to the orthopedic vet, and it turns out that Miss Thing, because she's such an athlete and likes zooming and jumping and all of that, has torn her Achilles tendon in her back left foot, and she also has an injury where on a dog they have got little hook bones in their hip, and their tendons are connected to those little hook bones. Well, she has managed to break one of the hook bones off of her hip, and so the good news is she doesn't have to have surgery. The bad news is this is a 4 to 8 month recovery, and she's having to spend a lot of time in her crate. Her vet gave me 3 different medications. She's on an anti-inflammatory, a pain medicine, and a trazodone for anxiety and trying to keep her calm. So 4 to 8 months I have to keep this child still. So the routine has been, the first week that we found this out, I had her on puppy pads, and she couldn't go outside. He didn't want her going up and down any stairs. We have to go down 2 little stairs to get to the backyard. And so now she gets to go outside in her yard, but she has to be on lead because she cannot run or do any jumping or anything, and she wants to so bad, you guys. She really, really wants to. And the other thing that's hard for me is she's not allowed to sleep with me right now, because if she were to jump off the bed in the middle of the night, she could really hurt her leg, even worse than she has. And if she does that, then we're looking at surgery on that leg, and that recovery is 18 months. So yeah. But she's doing okay. She doesn't seem to be in any pain, and she is putting weight on that leg again, which is great news. And we've got a follow-up appointment the beginning of February, and they'll have to sedate her again every time she goes in for appointments for the next 4 to 8 months. She's going to have to be sedated so they can take x-rays and see how the muscles in the hip and the bone and all that are doing. So if y'all pray, those of you that do pray, please say a prayer for Miss Thing, because she needs them, and Mama does too. But overall, she's doing good. She's just not allowed to be jumping up on the sofa, jumping up on the bed, because they don't want her jumping off of those things. So she's doing pretty good. She's pretty mellow most of the time. When the meds start wearing off, she wants to run and jump, but you know, she's a baby. I told the vet, I said, you're asking me to keep the equivalent of a canine Olympic athlete still. And he's like, well, I'm going to give you some medication to help with that. So, and it is working. But anyway, so that's the update on Miss Macie. And, you know, just keep us in your prayers, please. I'm doing this video by myself this evening because Miss Jenny's not here today, because it's Sunday when I'm filming this, and I'm hoping to get it uploaded tonight, but we shall see. It's getting late in the evening. I still got to feed Macie and get her squared away, but I'm going to try, you guys. So we're going to, like I said, we're going to do the giveaway portion of this, picking a winner. I've got the 4 gifts in this bowl, and then I've got all you guys' names that entered in this bowl. So I think the fairest way to do it is for me to go in here, pick a gift, and then pick a name for that, what we're going to give out. So that's what we're going to do, you guys. So I'm going to go in here and pick, and let's see. And the first thing is the magic bullet. Okay. So let's go in here. I love doing this, y'all. It's fun to me to do a giveaway. Oh, picked up like four names. Okay, let's see. And this is going to Marisol Valdez, 3735. I'm so sorry if I'm messing your name up. But Marisol Valdez 3735, you won the Magic Bullet. So, oh, and I always like to show you guys. So, Magic Bullet, Marisol Valdez, if I can get my fingers out of the way for y'all. And then let's see. And then the next prize is the mug and tea set. And that is going to, got one person here. And that is going to Sandria 579. Sandria 579. And then, oh, let's see here. And the next gift is the Tupperware set. Uh-oh, my fingers are in the way. Tupperware set. And then let's see who's winning that. And that is going to Joanne Cubes 540. So it's Joanne Cubes 540. And that means the last thing we've got going on here is the candle with the Barnes & Noble card to get a book. And that is going to Ellen 9579. Ellen 9579. So congratulations to the winners. I'm going to save the names of the people that did not get picked in case any of these guys don't claim their prize. Then I'll go in and pick another name for any prize that's not been claimed. So I hope you guys have a great night. I hope you all are doing good. I hope everybody's trying to stay warm. I know I've got friends up north that are dealing with negative 30 temperatures and stuff. It's been pretty cold down here in Georgia too. We've been in the teens and the single digits for the last week. So that's pretty cold for us, but I know it doesn't compare to the people that are dealing, I can't even imagine that you guys that are dealing with the negative numbers, I can't even imagine it. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you'll come back and see me soon. I'm working on 2 videos right now for recipes for you guys. So those will be out soon. Miss Jenny will be back Tuesday, and we're going to work on another video. So take care. Thanks for coming to see me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.